Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to open a Webull account in Canada, easy method. Start by gathering your photo ID, proof of address, and SIN or tax ID for verification. Visit Webull's Canadian site and click Sign Up, then enter your email and create a strong password. Complete the profile with personal details, upload documents, and consent to agreements. Finish by funding your account using an accepted bank transfer method. Check eligibility and required documents before you start. Canadian residents need a valid government ID, proof of address, and your SIN or tax ID for tax reporting. If you're a permanent resident, have your PR card ready and ensure your address matches your bank records. International applicants should review Webull's policies. Preparing documents ahead speeds verification and reduces delays, so scan clearly and follow file format guidelines. Contact support if rules are unclear. Funding your account is usually done via bank transfer or e-transfer from a Canadian bank. Link your bank account carefully, verify small test deposits, and follow bank limits like daily transfer caps. Consider starting with a small amount to confirm transfer timing. Enable two-factor authentication and set a strong password to protect your account. Keep records of transfers and check your statements for any unexpected activity to stay secure. Review fee.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.